I've said the classification of resources. Another, I said important points to remember. Have you gone through that? Important points to remember. That is the
Yes.
revision. Said with you.
Yes.
The total things at the
Yes.
last time of examination, you can revise this. So all the things are there. Can anyone tell what is resource? Definition is there in that.
Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs
environment.
provided.
Resource.
It is
Only one.
technically
Only one.
accessible, economically feasible, and
Accessible.
culturally acceptable can be
Can
termed as resource.
okay. That is the definition of resource. Another classification of resource is given. That all the types. Said PPT also on the basis of origin with definitions in this. At the last time you can go through that. Fastly you can cover up the all the things.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Resource development of resource. It is there. It is visible. Resource planning is there. Land resource percentage in India, land use pattern in India, land degradation and conservation methods. Soil as resource, classification of soil, all the 5 types of soil, it is there. Soil erosion and soil conservation. Go through that. Again, full chapter is clear. Today I am going to share this sheet with you. Who will read for me? This is an activity which I have told. Today you have to uh, do that. Go through that. Tomorrow we'll discuss on this activity and you have to prepare for your project. Who will read that? Okay, I will read for you. This is a group wise activity. Group wise activity means how will you do in groups now? You can join on WhatsApp, you can call each other, you can join on Zoom. And you have to do this activity. What are the learning outcomes of this? Students will able to classify the resources into different groups. So in the first class, we have classified the resources. Got classification of resources, 4 types.
Yes, sir.
What are they?
On the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility, on the basis of development, on the basis of ownership.
Yes. Good. Uh, what we have to do to complete a jigsaw activity and fill the observation sheet? What do we require? Information paper. Already with you, I have said all the information of this chapter. Pen and observation table. This activity actually we want to conduct in the class, but I am giving you 6 groups. You have to divide yourself into the groups, assign a group leader, divide the assignment into sections that equal to the number of the students in each group, give each student in each group one segment of topic to learn. What will be your activity? Students take the required time to learn their part of the topic from the second set of the group based on topic. Students take turns sharing what they learned and fill in any gaps, becoming experts on their part of the lesson by rehearsing what they will present in their main group. Each group member then return the original group and teaches what they learned. Complete the observation table and worksheet. This is the observation table. 6 groups. First, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of status of development, on the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility. These are only 4. What will be next 2? Can anyone tell?
Development of resources.
Uh, soil. Can anyone tell on soil?
Soil degradation.
Okay, soil erosion and soil degradation. And next,
Types of soil.
types of soil can we give?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
So other two activities will be soil erosion and soil degradation and types of soil. These are small worksheet like 3 questions I have given. What is a resource? Differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resource. Classify the resources on the basis of status of development into 4 groups. That 3 example questions I have given. Now according to the activity, what you have to do, you have to take you have to divide yourself into 6 groups equally, or single individual you can do. Take any one classification, research on that, take out the information, make questions, write. You have to make the questions by yourself, and you have to do group wise. If group wise, it is better. Today I will share this. Go through this activity and tell me tomorrow what are your views on that. Okay, how will we do, how will we conduct this activity, you will tell tomorrow in the classes. uh, I'm going to start with a small test. MCQ test is there. So only MCQs test. First you have to give the answer. First question, visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
I'm reading that.
Yes, sir.
Which is the only soil of India that has high water retaining capacity? Option: alluvial soil, mountain soil, black soil, red soil. Anyone fast? Ikra?
Alluvial soil.
Alluvial soil, high water retaining capacity.
Water retaining.
Again, I'm saying, repeating, high water retaining capacity.
Mountain soil.
Any other option?
Mountain soil.
Mountain soil.
Black soil.
So that is black soil.
So I'm clicking on black soil. Let's see afterwards what will be the answer. Yes, black soil is the right answer, but after that result we will see. Next question. What is the can you unmute yourself? What is the most important renewable resource? Fossil fuel, nuclear energy, natural gas, soil. Among these, most important renewable resource, huh?
Soil.
Soil. Because fossil fuel is non-renewable, nuclear energy non-renewable, natural gas non-renewable, soil is renewable.
Renewable.
Next question. See, this type of questions are coming in exam. Last time also you have seen that in the pattern. One assertion is given, one reason is given. You have to read the assertion and reason, then you have to give the answer. In the question given below, there are 2 statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Read the statement and choose the correct option. First, assertion A.
Sir, A.
Huh?
A
1 minute.
is right and
Sir,
R
A
is
option is correct.
A option is
A
correct.
option is correct.
Yes,
and
sir.
R
A is correct.
Yes.
wrong.
Okay, A option is correct. We'll click on that. Next. What is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? Drum cultivation, over irrigation, terrace cultivation, overgrazing.
Over irrigation.
Over irrigation, because 5
Overgrazing.
rivers.
Over irrigation.
Over irrigation, 5 rivers drain that region. Why is the only soil of India that is heterogeneous in composition? Alluvial soil, mountainous, desert, red. Which is the only soil of India that is
Heterogeneous.
heterogeneous in composition?
Desert soil.
Desert soil.
Forest soil.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Alluvial
Yes,
mountain
sir.
soil.
Desert or alluvial?
Desert.
Alluvial.
Okay, fastly said. On which I click? Desert or alluvial?
Alluvial.
Desert.
Alluvial.
Who is saying
Desert.
desert?
Alluvial.
Sir,
Sir,
Abhishek.
alluvial.
Abhishek. And alluvial?
Sir, alluvial.
Alluvial say who is saying?
Katyan.
Katyan. Okay. So Katyan, I'm clicking on you. Just we'll see the answer afterwards. Okay. What is the main cause of land degradation in Odisha? Mining, overgrazing, afforestation, salinity. Odisha.
Land degradation.
Land degradation in Odisha. Mining, overgrazing, afforestation, salinity. Fast.
Overgrazing.
Overgrazing in Odisha.
Salinity.
So on which I click? Salinity or overgrazing? Ikra?
Overgrazing. Overgrazing.
Sir,
Malik?
salinity, maybe.
Okay. Okay, I'm clicking on salinity now. Just we'll see the answer. What among the following best describes wasteland? Option: rocky, arid, and desert areas, land under permanent pasture, land having forest cover, fallow land. Wasteland. Yesterday we discussed.
Which land?
Rocky, arid, and desert area. Because
Rocky,
A.
arid,
Sir,
and
option A.
desert area.
Option A.
option A.
Okay.
A.
What is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab?
What is
Again
the main
repeated.
cause of land?
Over
What is the
irrigation.
main cause?
Over irrigation.
Okay.
Over
Okay.
irrigation.
What percentage of area is
What
under
is the
the
percentage of area is
under plateaus of India?
27. 27%.
27. Answer is not there.
Sir,
27.
28. 8.
28.
28.
28%.
Okay. We'll see that.
28%.
Last question. What is the common cause of land degradation in the arid and semi-arid areas? Arid and semi-arid areas. Land degradation. River, glacier, wind, waves.
Wind.
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 Okay.
Wind.
Submitted. Let's see. 8 are correct. 2 answers are wrong. Now let's see. First question. What is the only soil of India that have high water retaining capacity? Just unmute yourself now.
Black
Black
soil.
soil.
Black soil.
Black
Answer
soil.
is correct. Second,
Right.
what is the main important renewable resource? Soil.
Soil.
Answer is correct.
Soil.
Unmute. Mute yourself, please. Third one. You have said that 2 statements are there, and you have chosen the answer A. Correct answer is A. So both hydrogen can be used as a rich source of energy, but it can be considered as a stock. Yes, that is assertion. Reason: we do not have advanced technical know-how to use it for this purpose. So A is the right answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Fourth, what is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? We have answered over irrigation. Correct answer. Explanation is also given. Seventh, what among the following best describes wasteland? Rocky, arid, and desert areas. Yes, we have given right answer. Eighth question, what is the main causes of degradation in Punjab? That is over irrigation. Ninth, 28% is the correct answer. Yes. 10. What is common cause of land degradation in arid and semi-arid areas? That is wind.
Sir, all answer are right there.
Sir, all answers are correct.
All answers are correct.
So
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
What are wrong?
Correct. Correct.
Sir, that
Sir,
salinity
that
one
alluvial
not
and
came.
desert area were gone.
Sir, incorrect.
in-
Click on that. Incorrect, sir.
Yes, click on
Yeah,
incorrect.
top.
1 minute.
Then, sir, it will.
Sir, top. Yes, sir.
Question number 5. What is the only
Yes.
soil of India that is heterogeneous in composition? That is mountainous soil.
Sorry.
Okay. What is the main cause of land degradation in Orissa? Mining.
Mining.
Okay. How was the test?
Nice.
Nice.
Nice, sir.
Okay.
Not even easy, not even hard.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another test? Another 10
Yes,
questions?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. Till then, give the definition of soil. Okay, we are starting with the test. First answer. Yeah. Big question is there. Consider the following statements. First, resources are a free gift of nature. Second, resources are a function of human activities. Third, human beings are components of resources. Fourth, what transforms available materials into resource? Now, which of the statement given above are correct?
C.
C, first,
Sir,
third,
C.
and fourth.
1, 3,
C.
and 4th.
C.
C.
Okay, C, I'm clicking.
So
Next.
1, 2, and 4.
Yes, okay. Which is a factor that provides maturity to the soil? Which is a factor that provides maturity to the soil? Parent rock, time,
Vegetation.
and slope. Parent rock, time, slope, vegetation.
Vegetation.
Okay, we will see the vegetation. What are the resources that are being utilized at present in given region called? What are the resources that are being utilized at present in the given region called? Non-renewable, developed, but
Developed.
developed.
Non-renewable.
Okay. Next, what is a
Actually,
method of cultivation crops to prevent soil erosion? Strip, row, line cropping, and sequence cropping.
Strip.
Strip
A.
cropping.
Strip cropping.
Strip cropping.
Strip cropping. Yesterday we have discussed. Next, 1 minute previous left. Which state of India has the best example of gully erosion? It was given in PPT presentation also and in video. Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Which soil is developed by crystalline igneous rocks?
Red. C option.
Red.
Red. Okay, yaad hai. Laterite has been derived from the Latin word late, little, latest, later.
Letter.
Letter. D option.
Letter. D.
Letter.
D.
Which is a biotic resource?
Rocks.
Rocks.
Okay.
Rocks.
Dog.
Which crop is grown in laterite soil?
Jute.
Laterite soil.
Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee.
Pure coffee.
Sir, coffee.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which type of erosion is a ravine in the Chambal Valley? Seat, gully, wind erosion, rill erosion. Chambal Valley.
Sir, maybe gully erosion.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again 8.
No, no.
So see the
The
correct
first
answer. First one, developed resource. Question 3, and means first and second are wrong. Look at the first and second. Consider the following statements. First, resources are a free gift of nature. Resources are functions of human activities. Human beings are components of resources. Human transform available material into resource. Our answer was first, second, and fourth. Correct answer is second, third, and fourth. An explanation is given. Resources are not a free gift of nature. Resources are a function of human activities. Human beings are components of resources. Human transform available materials into resources. The second one, resources are a function of human activities, that not a free gift of nature. Also, we have discussed in 8th also, 9th also. Second one, which is a factor that provides maturity to soil? Time. Time is the factor that provides maturity to soil. The newer alluvium, which time becomes Bangar. Two types of alluvial soil. Again, we have discussed yesterday, Bangar and Khadar.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone say the definition of Bangar and Khadar? In 9th also it was there. What is Bangar soil? What is Khadar soil?
The Bangar soil has higher concentration of nodules than the
Yes.
Khadar.
Yes.
It has more fine particles and it is more fertile than Bangar.
Hmm.
And the Khadar soil is new alluvial soil.
Okay. With conquer modules, more or less?
Less.
Less conquer
Less,
modules.
less.
Again, go through that definition. You have swiped the answer. Conquer modules are less in Bangar than Khadar. The activity that we have said, go through that activity. Today I am going to share this with you. Yesterday I had also said important question, points and questions. Have you gone through that? Define resources. Can anyone say what is resources?
Resources are the substances which are used to satisfy our need, is provided technically.
Okay, till then it is okay. Individual resource. Who will say what are individual resource?
These are owned privately by individuals.
Okay. Example.
For example, many farmers own their own land.
Yes, on their own
Urban people
agriculture.
have their own plots, houses, and other properties.
Yes. Okay. Very good. What is sustainable development? Maleka. Maleka.
Yes, the development which is done to prevent the development which should take place without damaging environment and which should not which and the development which is done for future generation.
Okay, Bansri, can you repeat sustainable development? Bansri, can you repeat? Chirag, can you repeat? Chirag, can you repeat sustainable development? Yes, repeat.
Sustainable development.
Without compromising the need of future generations. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we discussed.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
The development which took place without damaging the environment
Yes.
and should present in future without compromising.
Without compromising the needs of future generations. We have to develop ourselves in that way that we should not compromise the need of future generations. Okay, next one. What is conservation of resources? Very important. Chetna, can you tell conservation of resources? First, why there is a need arise for the conservation, and what is conservation of resources? Chetna? Katyan, can you tell
Conservation is
why there is a need arise
protection
of?
of valuable resource.
Again, repeat.
Protection of valuable resources such as trees, minerals, wildlife, water, and others are known as conservation of resources.
Why there is a need arise to conserve them?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, the conservation of resources are important because the resources are in limited quantities and should be sustained in future.
Yes, they are available in limited quantity. If we will not utilize in a proper way, that will get exhaust in future. So there is a need arise for the conservation of resources. Very good. Can anyone give the definition of potential resource? Potential resource.
Sir, may I?
Yes. Sir,
the potential resources are the resources which are present in our environment, but that resources are not utilized by us.
Okay, that resources are not utilized by us. Stock, Ikra, stock resource.
Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have appropriate or proper technology
Yes.
to have access. These are
Yes.
included in stocks.
Stock resources. Okay, very good. Who will say about Agenda 21 and Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992?
Sir, it is the declaration which is signed by world leaders in 1992 at Rio de Janeiro.
In
Its
Brazil.
main aim was to achieve global sustainable development. It was an agenda to combat environmental damage,
Yes,
poverty,
environmental poverty,
disease through global cooperation
Yes.
on common interest, mutual needs, and responsibilities.
Yes, and every state government or every central government is have to prepare their own agenda. Yes, yes, yes. Continue.
Agenda.
On Agenda 21.
Every
Yes, continue.
one.
Okay. Chetna, Hanif.
Yes, sir.
What is renewable resource?
So renewable resource are the resource which are if we use one, so they will be at the same property like solar energy.
Okay, renewable resources are those resources which get renewed in a short period of time. Like example, solar energy, wind energy, which get renewed in a short period of time, which cannot get exhausted. Okay. Kajal. 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 Okay, Chetna.
Yes, sir.
What are national resources?
Which belongs to the nation.
Which belong to the nation. Just elaborate it. People are living on, on the name of test. Yes, very good. Okay, Akansa, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akansa.
Sir, these are the resources owned by a nation. These resources are found in the political boundaries of a nation.
Yes.
And the country has legal power to use these resources.
Even all the private and community resources are under national resource. They can occur, na?
Sir, below 12 nautical miles.
Yes. In the ocean, within 12 nautical miles, complete sovereignty is there with the country. Till 200 nautical miles, we can acquire. After 200 nautical
Permission.
miles, after 200 nautical miles, we need permission of international authorities.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, below 12 nautical miles we can use, but after that we have to take permission, no? Up to 200 nautical miles.
Up to 200 24 container zone, we have the access, state access. But example, listen carefully. If two countries are there, two countries share that ocean, like India and Pakistan, Gujarat का जो border लगता है, at that particular point of time, they have to take the permission of international authorities. किसी भी तरह के झगड़े से, conflict से बचने के लिए. If nothing is there, so total 200 kilometer areas, 200 nautical mile areas is they can country can mine any of the minerals from the ocean belt.
Sir, more particularly from which international authorities we country have to take permission?
United Nations.
Okay, sir. So, sir, that 5 main countries that have veto power, that only, or all the other
all countries, all countries.
Okay.
Who have the exclusive economic zone? Those countries who have exclusive economic zone means ocean is available to them. That only countries. Have you gone through this slide?
Yes, sir.
Surely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So activity, how will we do that activity? Can anyone, any ideas for this activities? How will we do? Compulsory we have to complete this activity. If you want marks of internal marks, 20 marks होते हैं ना जो internal we are giving. That marks.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to give test.
No, test नहीं है.
So we have to explain.
Yes, you have to explain just.
So we can divide topics
Yes, 6
to
topics
every
are
group
there.
member.
Yes, every group member you can divide. You have to prepare the presentation. Presentation देना है आपको कि आपने क्या क्या prepare किया है. Easy chapter.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. We
where
will
we have
give.
to present?
Sir, time.
Prepare, complete it. Write, note down the questions in notebook or in notebook. Complete activity in notebook. Note down in the notebook. When the school will start, one day we will present.
Okay.
Or
Okay,
if
sir.
or on Zoom it will not be possible. Lot of disturbances there on Zoom. So in class we will do, but you have to note down in the notebook for before that. So project is compulsory for this time. Huh? Activities you have to do. Otherwise you will not get 20 marks. 20 marks, 80 marks final paper, 20 marks from the school.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubt in this chapter, you can personally WhatsApp to me or you can call me. I will give the answer, clarify your doubts. This all the question answers, NCERT question answers, possible write in the notebook, because again notebook marks are counted. घर पे बैठे हो टाइम पास हो जाएगा आपका भी. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ज्यादा मेहनत के जेरोक्स नहीं चलेगी. जेरोक्स में मार्क्स कैसे दूंगा?
तो पहले से निकाल लिया.
पहले से निकाल लिया, अब लिख लेना है उसको. घर पे आराम से आप लिख सकते हो उसको. ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है. Just these questions you have to write. Small questions are there.
Only this chapter.
अभी तो यही
Sir,
चैप्टर.
only this chapter.
Yes, अभी तो यही चैप्टर दिया
Sir,
था.
इसके
पहले जो आपने दिए थे उसके वाले नहीं लिख रहे ना?
उसको बाद में लिखेंगे.
ओके सर.
ओके, अभी इसको लिखो. ठीक है, अभी जो क्लासेस कंप्लीट हो गया चैप्टर वो लिखेंगे सिर्फ. So next chapter, chapter number 2 is not there in your syllabus. Chapter number 3 also not there in your syllabus. It is cutted. See, it is there.
Sir, in history.
No, in
history,
geography. You are seeing the screen?
सर हाफ दिख रही है सर.
आधी दिख रही है.
क्या क्या पढ़ के दिखा?
नहीं दिख रही सर. दिख नहीं रहा है.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
अभी क्या दिख रहा है?
अब तो पूरा कवर हो गया.
सर 1/4
पूरा
दिख रहा
ब्लैक
है स्क्रीन का.
1 मिनट.
हाँ
सर आप
1 मिनट.
अब तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है.
अरे 1 मिनट. नाउ
आपकी अब. यस सर, अब
सर
दिखा.
नाउ विजिबल.
क्या दिखा?
स्क्रीन.
कौन सी स्क्रीन?
आपकी लैपटॉप की.
ये नहीं दिख रहा इसमें रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट और ये कुछ.
सर वो नाम लिखे हो सब.
हाँ वो.
सर वो माय कंप्यूटर वाला स्लाइड है.
ये वाला.
यस सर.
हाँ सर पूरा दिख रहा है अभी.
हाँ अभी क्या है इसमें?
पूरा दिख रहा है.
ये वही दिख रहा है.
रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट.
सर टॉपिक है. सर टॉपिक है.
Okay, resource and development is there, completed. Forest and wildlife resource cut, not there in exam.
Cut.
Board exam. Third chapter, water resources only map.
Cut.
So cut means cut. Agriculture, minerals and energy resources, manufacturing, lifelines of national economy. These chapters are there in geography. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chapters are there. In economics, 1, 2, 3, 4. Consumer rights, only project work is there from that consumer right. Only 4 chapters are there. Third one, that is civics. Power sharing, federalism. Democracy and diversity, cut.
Sir,
Gender
power
and,
sharing done.
yes, power sharing done. Federalism, democracy, diversity, cut. Religion, gender and caste. Popular struggle and movement, cut. Political parties, outcomes of democracy, challenges to democracy, that is cut. How many chapters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chapters.
5.
खोलो इसको.
History. No, sir.
How many chapters?
All the chapters.
All chapters.
All.
5.
शायद हो गए. एक बाकी.
Only 4 chapters are there from geography, history. That is rise of nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India, age of industrialization, and print culture and modern world. Everything is prepared. Just I want to show that. See, for example, if you want to start agriculture question, everything is prepared for you. So next chapter, economics or geography?
Economics.
Economics development, because the related questions are there. Okay. So tomorrow we will start with
Economics.
Development economics. I will send the PPT of chapter PDF today in evening. Go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.